Construction firms in the region has agreed to a nearly $1 million settlement over pollution. The D.C. Attorney General says that the company discharged pollution into D.C. waterways, and that includes the Anacostia. News 4's Mark Segraves is speaking to the D.C. Attorney General's office about what the settlement means for the health of our rivers.
The D.C. Attorney General sued Fort Myer Construction, saying the company was allowing toxins, including petroleum, to run off into local waterways. Now, Fort Myer has agreed to pay the district government nearly $500,000, as well as make extensive upgrades to their Northeast facility to correct the problem.
They're going to give us $450,000 worth of penalties, but they're going to make over $500,000 in investments, to clean up the property.
Fort Myer Construction is responsible for much of the major road work in the district. The facility in question is one of their main facilities located in Northeast D.C., not far from the Anacostia River. According to David Hoffman, Senior Assistant Attorney General for the district, toxic runoff from the heavy equipment at this site had been making its way into the Anacostia River for more than a decade, despite warnings from the D.C. Department of Environment.
This began in about 2015, and over the years, DOE went back and inspected the facility and saw that they were continuing to discharge pollutants, from their facility.
The Attorney General's office alleged runoff from the facility was flowing into nearby storm drains and then emptying into nearby streams that flow through the National Arboretum. Those streams empty into the Anacostia River. Fort Myer did not respond to our request for comment today about the settlement, but in 2024, when the lawsuit was filed, a spokesman for Fort Myer issued this statement. Fort Myer Construction is proud to be an award-winning construction firm and leader in green infrastructure work. No construction company in the district has built more green infrastructure projects protecting our environment and making our neighborhoods more resilient to extreme weather caused by climate change. We do not agree with the allegations in the lawsuit and look forward to defending our record in court. Hoffman tells News 4 the settlement is a major victory for the health of the Anacostia River.
It was the only industrial pollutant that DOE was able to identify as the leading culprit for pollutants that were going into, that particular area. So by eliminating that, it's a fairly substantial success, I think, for us in terms of our, goal to maintain water quality in the district.
In the district, Mark Segraves, News 4.